If you work a job that you do not like, get ready to say goodbye because I have a strategy that is very effective and very easy for you to replicate. But before we go into the strategy, I would appreciate if you guys could like this video. You need to understand that all the videos that I make are 100% free, but it takes a lot of time and energy for me to make these videos. So to show support and make me feel like I'm actually putting these videos out for a reason, like that video. Also, my last and final Forex course is dropping on June 30th at 12 p.m. PST. It will be launched on my Instagram and you guys can sign up with a 15% discount code. And if you want, there's a wait list below where you guys can sign up. Now, without further ado, let's get in this video and how you guys are going to quit your job in the next 6 to 12 months. The strategy that we're going to go over is the US 30 strategy. So for you to actually trade US 30, since it is an indice, you need to use the broker that I have linked in my description. It says broker that I use, you guys can sign up. After you guys sign up, you're going to get your account funded. I recommend trading with at least $1,000 in your trading account. And if you don't have money to get started trading, watch my video on how to start or how to leverage credit to start trading Forex. You can get funded that way. Now, this strategy is very easy to replicate, and you guys might need to watch this video a couple times to actually understand how it works. But really, to dumb it down, we are trading during the New York session. I'm trading on lower time frames like the minute 5 and the minute 15, and I'm really just scalping the market. So overall, I'm looking for reversal candles that are going to give me signs whether the market's going to go up or it's going to go down. Very, very simple. Now, you guys need to understand the thing with trading that a lot of people do not discuss is that trading is all about timing. You have to be on the right side of the market when the money is actually in the markets. If you're trading when there's no money, like this section right here, you're not going to be able to catch big moves like these moves right here. These are the big explosive moves we want to be catching. So with US 30, it opens up, or the actual like equities market, the US stock market opens up at 6:30 a.m. PST. That's my time in California. So you need to figure out the time for you when the actual markets are opening up. So I don't like to trade right when the markets open up at 6:30. I like to overall figure out when the markets are going to have a nice move instead of a false breakout, because we could see here right at 6:30 the market pushed down, and a lot of retail traders, the beginner traders, are saying, do you know what, let's sell it. And they're all selling it right in this wick, and we can see this long wick to the downside. A lot of traders saw that wick and they're saying sell it, sell it, sell it, it's going to shoot down. And then it goes down a little more, but notice how this wick doesn't go as deep as this wick right here. What the market makers are doing, the big dogs with the real money, is they are trapping all the retail traders in these short positions. They're saying we're going to push it down because all the beginner traders are going to get FOMO, fear of missing out, and they're just going to sell it. They're going to be selling these positions like crazy. So they're having all the retail traders sell. But really the smart thing to do is wait for a very clear reversal pattern. And that's what I like to do. So right here at 640, this candle that opened at 635 and closed at 640 was a spinning top, a very nice reversal candle. And this is the candle that you wanted to enter on. So when I'm using this strategy, what I'm looking for are reversal candles. Now here's a hack. At 6:45 a.m., there's usually a really nice reversal setup, whether it's on the minute 5 or the minute 15 time frame. I honestly prefer the minute 5 time frame. I don't know what it is, but I really like the minute 5 time frame compared to the minute 15. So we can see right here, this is our overall setup that occurred. We had a spinning top close. And if you guys don't know about reversal candles and trading, just type it on Google, Forex reversal candles, and it will have like a chart, a diagram, a picture, something like that, where you can get to know these reversal patterns or the reversal candles, so you can memorize them in the future, so you can recognize them. That's like how I got really good at trading. Is I literally just watched the charts all day long, and I watched for these reversal candles. I was like, wait, I've seen that candle before, and when this candle closed, it shot up where it shot down. Also, a little trick that you guys can use is when we have wicks to the downside like this, it's going to go up. When we have wicks pointing to the upside, it's going to go down. So that's a telltale sign right there. Definitely remember that because that really helped me out. So this is the reversal candle we saw right here. One more candle after that, another spinning top, and then boom, it just pushed up. And we had this explosive move happen right here. So that's really the strategy dumbed down. It's very simple. Now what I want to go over with you guys is what to be looking for. So I'm going to go back in time in the markets and show you what I'm looking for. Also, this indicator that I have is a sessions indicator. So you're going to go to indicators and type in session, and it's going to be this one right here, the color. Okay, and then once you set it up, you can go to the settings and you can choose what session you want. So I only have the New York session. So look on the background on the chart. Boom. That's how I have it set up. Very simple. So same thing. We're looking for those reversal candles between those key times. Now I like to look for the key times of 6:35 to around 7 a.m. because within that 25-minute window is really where the big explosive moves are going to be happening. You can see later on in the New York session, it kind of consolidates and slows down. There aren't really big moves because this move right here was at 5, 10, 15, 20. 20 minutes this move happened. But the same move right here, it probably didn't go the same height. Let's actually measure it. From here to here, 2,400 pips. Now let's go from here to here, 1,900 pips. This move took 20 minutes to form, and it had a bigger move than this move right here that took 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, an hour. An hour and 5 minutes to make that move. So that's why I'm telling you guys the key times are between 6:35 and 7 a.m. Those are the times that you want to be in the market looking for a setup. So this was our overall setup right here at 6:45, that key time that I mentioned. We have our doji right here, and then it pushed up. Nice trade right there. Now that was Tuesday, so let's go to Monday now. Okay, here's our key time again. We have a doji at 6:55, and then boom, a nice big push up right there. And then let's go to last Friday. Okay, we have this big move right here. Boom, pushed up, pushed down, then pushed up. That was all right before 7 a.m. So right here, all the way to here, this was open to 7 a.m. These big moves happen right there. So really, the advice that I can give you guys is really just showing up every single day. Test this strategy out and trade every single day at this time with US 30, and you're going to see these setups occur time and time after again. Now also, these times do work with other currency pairs. So maybe you're like, you know what, Cole, I don't have $1,000 to trade with. I like trading Forex pairs. Awesome. What you could do is backtest this time on a Forex pair that you like. And whenever you see these big moves happening, take note, because that's overall how you're going to backtest and see results is by going back in time and seeing when these big moves are happening, because history does repeat itself. I'm telling you guys that right now. You're going to see it happen time and time after again. And that's really all that you have to do with trading. Just show up, wait for the setup to occur. Once you see the setup, execute and enjoy the profit. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. Peace.